may bahit sila ate ha.
The Jolly Friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jolly Bees wish came true when they went shooting from Candy's race. Into the well it fell.
Okay na ate? 5. Kaya sila 5. Alright? Kids, atras mo kids ha. Move backward dito sa my door. Okay, atras kids. Or paano dito? Atras mo natungo sa my door. Ayaw kumay ng line ha. Okay.
And then there appeared 4 new friends. Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly Friends here again. Hooray! Come to Jolly.
Right? Okay natin ha. So napay duha ka team ang team ni Kuya Mark and ni Kuya July. Okay, so di ba iba yan ay mga Jen? Uy,
Nalibog siya.
asan na si Kuya? Alright, so ate, ganyan lang si Kuya ko, si Kuya Kenji. Ay, isa ng gamay. Okay, ako pa, iutang ang shots, Kuya. Si Cedric, ay, Kuya Cedric.
And play.